Welcome to today's class. This is our lesson 2. Okay, Daniel Mass Academy. We're looking at number-based system. So in this lesson, we will looking at addition of number bases. All right, so let's begin. So we'll look at addition of binary numbers, look at addition of octal numbers, and we'll take a look at addition of decimal numbers. Okay, so let's begin with this problem that we have right here. So the problem says add 101,101 base 2 plus 11101 in base 2. So let's begin by doing that. So solution. All right, so what we're going to do here, first of all, we're going to write out these numbers out. So this is 1 0 1 1 0 1 base 2, and then this other one is 1 1. So this is going to be 1 1 1 0 1 in base 2. Right, so this is what we have. All right, so it's addition, so of course we're going to write the addition sign here. Now the rules here in adding this number is to understand that once the sum is greater than the base, we divide by the base, but if it's less than the base, we write it down. Okay, so now 1 plus 1 is 2, so 2 is greater than is equal to the base, so we're going to divide that. So it's going to be 2 over 2, and this is going to give me 1, remainder 0. All right, so take note. So I'm going to write the remainder. I'm going to write the remainder here. So this is 0, and then I'm going to carry the whole number. I'm carrying this. So take note. So this is what I'm carrying. Take note that I'm carrying this one over. All right, so this is a carried. So I'm carrying this one over here. No, so please, I'm going to recommend that. So please, this is supposed to be written here. Okay, so please take note. All right, so this is 1 plus 1 is 2, so I'm going to write this is going to be here. So this is 0 here, and then remember 1, so the 1 is coming over to here. So take note, please. So this is 1 is coming here. That is what I'm carrying. All right, so same thing. So 1, so we're going to continue again. So we're going back again. 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 0 is 1. So our answer here is going to be 1. So let's go again. Here 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is equal to the base. So we're going to divide 2. 2 divided by 2 gives us 1, remainder 0. I'm writing down the remainder. I'm writing the remainder, which is 0, and I'm carrying 1. So I'm carrying 1. That one is I'm carrying that 1 over here. Okay. Now so we'll continue from there. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. Alright, so 3 is greater than the base, which I'm going to go back again and now divide. So 3 divided by 2 gives me 1, remainder 1. Okay, so gives me 1, remainder 1. So that is going to be 1, remainder 1. So I'm going to carry my remainder over here again. So my 1 is here. Alright, take note I'm always carrying the 1. Then now 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 1 is 2. So same thing, I'm going to divide again. It's going to be 2 over 2, which gives me 1, remainder 0. I'm going to write the remainder 0 and carry over the 1. Okay, here. Alright, so finally 1 plus 1 is 2. Now same thing is equals to the base. I'm going to also divide again by the base. I'm dividing again by the base, so that gives me 2 over 2, which is 1, remainder 0. So I'm going to write 0 here and then carry over the 1 to this other side. So that one is there, so I'll just bring down that one since there's nothing here. Alright, so I'll just bring down that one since there's nothing here. So finally my answer is giving me 1001010 in base, all of them in base 2. So this is the answer to this question. I hope you understand it. Quite simple and quite easy. Just follow my steps and then you will get the answer. So let's take a look at another example. As this example here says that we should add 1111 base 2 plus 110 base 2. So the same thing we're going to do by beginning here. So we're going to start by writing solution, right? So we're going to begin here now by writing our solution. So solution again for this problem. Now, so let's begin. So this is 1, 1, 1, 1. So let's begin. Okay, this is 1, 1, 1. Let me space them. Okay, so that we can understand them better. All right. So this is 1, 1, 1, 1 base 2. And this is 1, 1, 0 base 2. So we're adding, right? This is what we have. All right. Now, so here, just like we said in the previous class, 1 plus 0 is 1. It's less than the base. So we write down 1 here. And then now this is 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is equal to the base, so we divide. So we do 2 over 2. That gives us 1 remainder 0. We write down the 0 and write down the remainder, which is 0, and we'll carry this 1 over to here. We'll carry that 1 over here. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. It's more than the base, so divide again. So this is going to be 3 over 2. This gives us 1 remainder 1. So we'll write the remainder 1 here, and then we'll carry the other one over here. Alright, so that gives us 1 plus 1, which is 2. 2 is smaller than the base, so we're going to do the same thing. Divide 2 by 2, that gives us 1 remainder 0. So we write down 0 and carry over the other remainder, carry over the other one over here. And since there's nothing to add here, so we just bring down this one. So our final answer is 10101 base 2. So this is the answer to this particular question. Hope you understand this. Okay, so see you in the next example we have. Let's look at the next example. And this example is for you to solve. So pause the video and try this out. Once you come back, we'll solve it together with you. So quickly going to pause the video now, and then we're going to come back once you're done. Okay. So I hope that you are done with your solution now. So let's quickly and solve them together with you. Let's solve it together with you. Okay. So solution to this problem. So let's solve this solution. And the question is 1, 1, 1. So let's write it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also. So this is 1, 2, 3, 0, 1. So this is base 2. This is to base 2. Okay. So we'll add them. Alright. So this is addition 2. Then let's begin. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 divided by the base, we'll have 1 remainder 0. So write down 0, which is the remainder, and then we'll carry the other one here. So this is C2. So you as normal, again, you know we're going to divide by 2. So, and if you divide by 2, you still have 1 remainder 0. So we're going to write the 0, carry the remainder again over. Okay, here. So keep the remainder here, and now we have 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3. So we are going to divide that since it's more than the base, 3 over 2. That will give us 1 remainder 1. Alright, so we write the remainder, which is 1, and then we'll carry over the other one here. So since this is 3, so we're just going to continue. So that means it's going to give us 1 again, remainder 1, which we're going to carry again here. And this is still giving us 3. So we're going to still divide again, which is 3 over 2, which is 1 remainder 1. So we're going to have 1 here, and then we're carrying this other one to here. So since there's nothing here, we'll just bring down our 1. Alright, so our answer becomes 11110 base 2. Okay, so this is the answer to this problem. Alright, so now, so this brings us to the end of this class, but we're going to just leave you with this particular question to use them to solve and at your homework. And then so once you're done with this, then we're going to come back to the next class. So I hope you're going to take this as your assignment. This is our assessment 1. Remember to post your answers on our YouTube channel. So if you have any questions to this, we're going to put the answers on our YouTube channel. So for you, all right. Now, then for those of you who actually is going to take, who's going to buy this course, so we're also going to give you send the solution to this particular problem. All right. So that is how we'll go into this class. So let's quickly go to the next class. So let's look at addition of numbers in octal in octal base. Okay. So how do we add numbers in octal base? All right. So we begin the same thing. Now the same rules, but the difference here is that now in octal, so first of all, we'll arrange these numbers. So this is 160 base 8 plus 537 base 8. Okay, so we're going to add them. All right, so don't forget this addition. Okay, the same rules that we followed the other one, we're going to follow here. Once the number is less than the base, you write the number directly. But if the number is higher than the base, we're going to divide. Is higher or equal to the base, we're going to divide by the base. So 0 plus 7 is 7. 7 is less than the base 8, so we're going to write 7 here. Now 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 is greater than the base 8, so we're going to divide 9 by the base. So this is 9 over the base. This gives us 1, remainder 1. Okay, so we're going to write the remainder 1, and then we're going to carry the other 1 here. All right, we're writing down the remainder, which is this, and we'll carry this number over this other 1 here. Add this to this, so 1 plus 1 becomes 2, 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 is less than the base, so we're going to write 7 directly. Okay, so our answer is 717 base 8. So this is the answer to this particular question. I hope you find this clear and then easy. Let's take another example. Now this other example here says 136. Okay, so but I'm going to make a correction to this particular problem. All right, I'm going to make a correction to this particular problem. All right, so now let's still go solving this. So solution. Okay, so um solution, let's begin the solution to this. Okay, let me use another one. Right, so now let's begin by taking a solution to this particular problem. This is solution. First of all, write them out. So this is 136 base 8 plus 636 base 8. Okay, so we're going to add, right? So just like we did before, once the result is more than the base, we divide by the base. So 6 plus 6 is 12. So 12 divided by 8 gives us 1 remainder 4. So I'm going to write the remainder, which is 4, and then I'm going to carry the base. I'm carrying the whole number, which is 1. I'm adding it here. Okay, so this is the whole number. I'm taking it to this other one. I'm writing the base, the remainder. I'm taking over the base to the other side. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 is less than the base. I'm going to write it direct. So this is 7. And then again, 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 is less than the base. I'm going to write that. So our answer is 774. Our answer is 774 base 8. Okay, so this is the answer to this question. I hope you understand this. So now let's leave you with one now as so let's take just one more question, and then we're going to wrap it up here. We're going to give you your own. So hope you're ready for your own question. So solution to this particular question, we're going to write them out. 154 base 8 plus 455 base 8. So what is that going to give us? All right, are you excited? Okay, normal method we're going to use. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 is greater than the base, so I'm not going to write 9 here because it's greater than the base. Right, I'm going to divide 9 with the base. So 9 over 8 gives me 1 remainder 1. I'm writing down the remainder, which is 1, and I'm carrying this other 1 to this other number. This makes it 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11. Okay, so I'm going to divide that by the base. So this is 11 divided by the base 8. This gives me 1 remainder 3. 1 remainder 3. So I'm going to write the remainder, which is 3, and then carry this other one here. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 4 is 6. So 6 is less than the base. I'm going to write it direct here. So this is 6. So our answer is 631 base 8. So this is the answer to this problem. Here is a class quiz for you to attempt and then to find out how your same thing despite the decimal point to just do the same thing. So I'm going to pause this video now and then I'm going to come back once you're done to solve with you. Okay, welcome to where we are. All right, so we're going to begin. I hope you've gotten your answer. All right, so here now, let me quickly join you in solving this. So solution, just as what we've said as earlier before. So first of all, we'll start by arranging this number. So 67. Okay, so let me do that. Let me give a space here. So begin by arranging the number. So we have 6, 7.5 base 8, and here is 4, 5.6 base 8. We are adding them. Okay, so the same thing. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 is greater than the base, so I'm going to write 11. I'm going to divide by the base, so this will give us 1 remainder 3. So I'm going to write the remainder here 3, and then I'm going to carry this 1 here over here. This becomes 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. It's the same thing, so I'm going to write this 13. So this is going to give me is 13. Okay, so this is now 13 over 8. That gives me 1 remainder 5. So I'm going to write, so this is my point. I'm going to write the 5 here, then carry over this 1 here, carrying over this 1 here. Now this is 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. So 11 is more than the base. Okay, 11 is more than the base, so we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to divide again by 8. 11 over 8 gives me 1 remainder 3. So this is going to be 3, and then I carry over this other one here. So since there's nothing, I'm going to bring down this one. So I'll just bring down this one here. All right. So my answer is 135.3 base 8. 135.3 base 8. So this is the answer to this question, guys. All right. So now this is going to be your classwork. So attempt this and then try to see. Remember, the key to success is hard work, and then as you keep working hard, you will see your desires is going to come real. All right, so now let's quickly round up by looking at addition of numbers, of decimal numbers. Addition of decimal numbers, this is no new for us because it's just like adding numbers in our day-to-day life. So we're going to start this one, so we're not going to waste time here. It is just like adding numbers normal. All right, so 78 base 10 is a normal addition, so I'm not going to write the base here. 78 plus 36. Okay, so what does this gives us? Normal 8 plus 4 is 14. Now take note that since it's same thing, 8 plus 4 is 14. All right, so it's same thing, so I'm not, it's more than the base, so we're going to have 14 over 10 normally. So this will give us 1 remainder 4. So I'm going to write the 4 and carry over the 1. So this is the rules. So this is what guides us in adding number in base. So this is where the concept was derived from. So because the base is higher than the result is higher than the base, so you keep carrying over, keep writing the remainder and carrying over the other number. So here this is 1. I'm going to add here. It becomes 8. 8 plus 3 gives me 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 3 gives me 11. All right, now so just the same thing, so 11 over what 10. So if I write again, I'll have 1 remainder 1. So I'll write 1 here and carry over the other one to this point. All right, so I'm going to just bring down this one here because there's nothing again. So this is how we add number in base 10, which is a normal addition way. All right, so this is how we add numbers now. So this is one that you're just going to try here quickly, since we already know how to add them. So solution to this particular problem is just going to be by adding them. So solution, so here we'll have 199, all right. So that is the end of this lesson. Okay,